So this is Hannah Martin, and I've been tasked with explaining my Simple Show for my Tech Tip project. So basically the only window you need to care about is my videos, unless you are going to buy the full version of this program. It's a really useful program, and it is very easy to use. From what I've read, there's no age restrictions or anything, so you don't need to be 13 and above. So it's nice that it can be used by everyone, because you could ask your students to do a project on this as well, and it'd be really easy to use. So you just push create new video, and we're just going to call it project 3, and write your own script. So you basically have 3 sections: professional, educational, and personal, and they each have a type of movie you can make. They also have blank templates, so that if you want to, make your own that doesn't, because what you have doesn't match any of the stuff they have suggested. So we're going to write share a cooking recipe. Alright, so here's where you basically type your script for it. There's 4 sections: draft, write, visualize, and finalize. So drafting is where you write your script. Here on the side it has examples. So you can look at those if you want. It also has suggestions here, gives some information about the dish. So I'm just going to put some basic information, just really fast. So obviously you can write way more than what I'm writing, but just for time's sake, I'm just writing really short things. On the sides are, again, examples of what you can write, and you can write pretty much as much as you want. There is a 300 character limit for each little part, but you can basically have as many steps as you want. So I'm just writing some basic stuff here. Just for time's sake, I won't write all the steps, but just know that that is an option. Next we go to choose visuals. So here is where the video starts. So this part basically takes keywords like dish and feed and comes out with stickers for them. Now I don't really like these stickers, so I'm just gonna exit out. But I can click feed again, and I can look for other options. I like this sticker better, so if you click on it and you want more options related, I like this one better, or this one, or this one, you just click on it. So these are pretty good. So sometimes, it does stickers that totally don't have to do with what it is, so you can just exit out, or you can click on it and push search. So I'm going to search chips. So here's a chip bag. If I wanted to add more, I could. Here you can arrange items, so I can make this bigger, because I want that to be the main focus. Here there's a bunch of stickers. I can arrange them, move them around if I want. And so there's a lot of different things you can do in this section. So if you want this sticker, that's fine, but you can also search for another one. Or there's humans you can put with it. Or you could write a word instead of a sticker. You can upload your own pictures and see which ones you've used before. and then if you click this little play button, it'll show how it's going to come up. And so that's basically all you need to do for that part. Then you choose audio. Unless you upgrade, there's only one song and one voice you can use, and the voice basically just says everything that you wrote. Or you could record your own voice saying it, or you could upload audio that you made. So then you just finalize the video. You can pick privacy settings. It's pretty straightforward and easy. The only part that kind of takes long is as it's finalizing. It takes a while, but it does say, "Congratulations, we've queued your video for finalizing. This can take some time and we'll notify you via email." And you can safely close your browser, which is nice because you know that you won't lose your project if you close your browser. So I'm just going to show you a final product.
Ballpoint pen.
This
Before
is a
the
video I
ballpoint
made.
pen, everything was written in calligraphy. Feather quills and dry sand were used as tools for writing and then drying the ink. Most written work was long and arduous. The ballpoint pen was actually created for pilots who needed to be able to write no matter which way the plane was leaning. Soon the ballpoint pen became a phenomenon. A lot of people saw this new technology as ruining the art of handwriting. The ballpoint makes writing much easier than using ink and a quill. This invention has changed the world. It is now seen as old technology because we now have computers and tablets. However, there was a time when the ballpoint pen was new and exciting, and even had haters. Imagine suddenly having the ability to write anywhere. The ballpoint pen is a widely used invention that we probably don't have.
So that's basically the gist of it. I picked that video because I had already finished it and the other one was going to take a while. So basically this can go with a lot of the ISTE standards, improving your practice. That can help inspire kids and help them improve your teaching. That would also correlate with leader, making sure that you have learner-driven activities and environments, and it's proven that pictures stimulate the brain as well as words, so that's a good standard that it follows. So yeah, that's my video.